Shawty gon' get that paper. Shawty tongue rip like razor. Shawty got wick, got flavor. Part of my tits and makeup. Lay her, but then hit that layup. Shawty ain't with them. See those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling. I'm on this lovely weather.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a little eyeshadow tutorial on this look. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you like this video, give it a like. And you definitely want to stay tuned and check out our other videos because we do hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and check out our channel after this video. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and we're gonna get into this video. So guys, we are going to get right into this tutorial. I do already have a full face of makeup, so this tutorial is going to focus mostly on the eyes. And the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my lids, and I'll do that with the Covergirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. Now, let me tuck these behind my ears just so that they're not in the way, you know what I mean? Now, the reason that I'm going to go ahead and basically prime my lids is so that the eyeshadow can kind of stay there and, you know, stay put on my lid, and then also it's going to help it pop. So you definitely want to do this if you wear eyeshadow on a daily basis and if you wear it all day. So I'm priming my lids with a concealer, but obviously if you have like a concealer primer, an eyeshadow primer I mean, or like any eyeshadow base, you can also use that. I've just always done it with eyeshadow with concealer just because that's always what I have on hand. And I'm using a brush to blend out this concealer just to pat it in, make sure it's all blended on my lid and stuff. You can also use a sponge. I used to use a sponge before, but I lost it. I don't know where it is anymore. And that sponge used to be good because it was like a tiny sponge, so it was perfect for the eyelids. Okay, so I'm done priming my eyelids and this is how they look. You definitely want to make sure that your eyelids are tacky and basically dry. You know, you don't want the concealer to be wet because then, yeah, it's not really gonna mix well with, you know, the eyeshadow. So definitely make sure that your concealer is dry, or your eye primer base, or whatever you use. Definitely make sure it's dry before you go ahead and do your eyeshadow. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you guys know if you watch my videos that I always use a transition shade in my crease area, and the one I'm using is this shade, and this is the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette. I actually like this palette. It's very affordable. It has a very good range of, you know, just everyday shades that anyone would use, honestly. So I'm gonna put that right above my crease and just make sure it's like, you know, blended, and this is gonna help with the rest of the eyeshadows, making sure it's blended seamlessly into my skin, basically. So now that I'm done with that transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead with a deeper shade in my, mostly in my outer V area, and that is going to be this shade right here. And that's just going to like help my eyeshadow just have kind of like I don't know how to explain it, like it's gonna help it kind of, you know, look like it's kind of an ombre effect, I guess. So yeah, I just take a little bit, guys, because if you take too much and you make a mistake, you know, you never know. Just go in very, very lightly. And I focus it mostly on the outer area of my eye. Just like so. And I like going in a V, just because that defines my eyelid more. And see, I dusted it off, and this is everything I got from just that one dip. So you definitely want to be careful. So this is what my eyes look so far. Basically, I just put that shade mostly on the outer part of my eyelid, as you can see. And yeah, I feel like that makes it more defined, and it defines my eye shape more. So next I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I haven't used this in so long, guys, so I'm actually really excited to use it because this palette is so colorful. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade 100 right there. Yeah, this one. It's kind of like a green, like a dark forest green, so I'm really excited. And I'm gonna take this little brush over here to apply that eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply that basically on the inner part of my eye. Ooh, this color, damn. Look at how pigmented this color is, guys. I wasn't ready for all of that. So at first you just want to tap it like this, and then after that you can swipe it and kind of blend it in. So I really like this color. It's like, I really like it. It's really pigmented. So next I'm just going to go back in that e.l.f. palette and just kind of, you know, go back on those dark areas just to make sure that, you know, it's well blended into the eyeshadow. And you want to go with this lightly, guys, because as I mentioned, like dark colors, once you use too much, it's hard to fix. But if you use little and you just build it up, it's easier, you know, to fix in the long run. So yeah, this is basically the main look. Now there's another color that I don't know if I should use, but I really feel like trying, and it's this shade right here, and that is the shade Midnight Blaze. The one I used, like the forest green, that one is 100, but this one is Midnight Blaze, sorry. And I think I'm going to do just put it mostly in the inner like part of my eye, and I guess it's gonna create more like ombre effect. And yeah, I'll start with that and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I don't know if that actually made like that big of a difference. I feel like you don't really see it. If I would have used it like on its own, I think it would have looked nicer. But this is basically the final look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enhance my highlighter again because it kind of got lost. So guys, I just got some of the eyeshadow on my nose, which I hate when that does that. But moving on, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners, and I'll be using the Carli Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics. And if you're an OG, you know that I always use this shade right here to highlight my inner tear duct. Okay, so just like so, this is what it looks like. Okay, so next I'm gonna move on to the lashes, and for this look I'll be using these lashes from the Wink Cartel, and they're in the style Lorraine. They're very wearable, very everyday. These are very curly, so if you like those curly lashes, this is definitely for you. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on because I feel like it would look good with this look. And I know for the holidays, not everyone likes to be like too dramatic. So in general, I think a lot of people like everyday type of lashes that they can wear every day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on. Okay, so my lashes are finally on and this is what it looks like. Now, I did already do my lips and you know, I went for my everyday like nude type of lip. But I'm kind of feeling like, I don't know if, I feel like this look would be like banging with a gloss. So, I'm gonna go ahead and use this lip gloss from Stay Beat Beauty. And this is in the color 12. It's just a clear lip gloss. Obviously it doesn't look clear anymore because I always use it with like my nude lipsticks like this or like my brown lip liner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this on top. So this is what the lips look like, and see how I just feel like it made this look kind of, it changed up the look, you know, it gave it a different vibe. So I'm really happy that I went with the gloss for this look. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the tutorial. This is the final look and I really like it. I feel like it's a very like seductive, sultry, sexy kind of look for the holidays. I feel like this eyeshadow look is like, I don't know, I really like it. I actually really like it. I never wear this color, surprisingly, but I feel like this is perfect for like your holiday. Well, obviously we're not really going to be having like big holiday parties this year, but you know, I think it's good for your family parties, you know, your friends parties, or any party that you go to during the holidays, or any get together, you know, or even if you just want to like get cute for yourself, you know, definitely this look, I definitely think it's holiday appropriate. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like. And if you think this video could be helpful to anybody that you know, definitely share this video, you know, show it to your friends, your family, whoever you think would be interested in this video. And definitely comment down below what other videos you would like to see. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
So maybe Christmas would be, but get again just start to your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve, and then I count down me a count pound, and a count down, but that's between a town and myself.